Hi, guys.
I'm going to tell some dude that
No, not another dude.
she's gonna tell a dude that she doesn't like him because he keeps trying to say, "Hey, Jackie," and then
Ex-boyfriend.
she's all like, "No, I don't want to talk to you, sir. So I'm going to type right now, okay?" Okay.
I'm pretty
okay.
sexy, as you can see. I date guys with afros.
This is Abby. Period.
Jackie doesn't like you.
Jackie
I wish you could like record it. She's like, Jackie doesn't like you.
doesn't like you.
You put the apostrophe before the N.
Oh.
It must be after the N. Why didn't you delete it all?
Because I messed it up. Wait, I messed it up again, huh?
No.
Does, oh wait, yes I did. There we go. Doesn't like you.
That's a crab.
And you should not message
No, just be
her
like, no, just be
again.
like, just be
I don't
like,
know what that is.
I need weed.
Octopus?
Huh?
I need weed.
No, but you need Jesus.
No, I don't need Jesus. I know a Jesus already. I don't. It's sin.
Yeah,
It's sin.
It's
It's sin.
That looks like a watermelon.
Why is it on your man's feet?
Who's typing?
I know he did not get that one.
Oh my god, I'm so
What did he say? He said,
I know he didn't get
I
all
know.
that.
Oh.
okay,
I know
bye
he did
now.
not attack it with just that one stick. It's a lie.
I should be like, Jackie's in the bathroom squirting toilet.
Wait.
Jackie's in the bathroom. Da, da, da.
Oh my god, he saw it.
Jackie's in the bathroom.
He saw
Da,
it.
da, da. I think her toilet exploded.
Oh my god. Biggest bugs.
She needs help.
If you're good ex-boyfriend,
You know what that is?
you will go to the girl.
Really, really love her. You'd save her.
I don't know what that is. That is something else.
From that toilet.
What are those little
Oh, wait.
things?
And she sits on the second floor.
Are those eggs?
The wait,
That's nasty.
the bathroom by the staircase.
In her bathroom.
Save her booty so she can work again.
That is not real.
And scene. Okay.
This Barry got
That
a
was
big
good.
booty.
That was good.